Hey, what's going on? It's your boy BC. We're at the M&R Boxing Grocery Show. You're watching True School Sports. Alright, brother Taylor here, True School Sports. I'm with my main man, Isaac Chamberlain. What's up, champ?
Yeah, I'm very good, thank you.
We found you in America, man. What you doing all the way over here?
I know. I'm just, I've been low-key, training hard in America. In Miami, it's like 40 degrees here. Crazy. It's like, I can't believe it's like really, I've been really working hard with Okolie, preparing for my next fight in New York, November the 23rd. Okay. It's exciting.
Absolutely. So like, what have you been up to since like people last saw you? Because the last time most people saw you was when you fought either Okolie or Luke Watkins.
Sorry, say that again, please.
What have you been up to since those fights?
Oh, I've just been rebuilding myself. Just been training, gaining as much experience as I can. And I just watched Nick Diaz put in an impressive whole debut performance. So it's good to be out here and gain as much experience as I can training on the whole game, sparring these amazing fighters as well. So I'm just working on myself and building.
Okay. As far as the sport, you mentioned sparring. We were just talking about it. You sparred my main man Blake Davis. What was that like?
Yeah, Blake is a very good boxer. He's a very good boxer. He uses his range as well. He has good fundamentals. Sparring him is good. We're definitely going to be sparring with a lot of other people as well that Okolie's going to be bringing in. So it's just about pushing myself as much as I can. All I want to do is just keep pushing myself.
Okay. What do you think is the main thing you need to work on as a fighter? Like what's the one skill that you need to improve on the most, you feel?
One skill that I need to really improve on?
Yeah.
I think, I've gotten to a stage where, it's not really about the skills, it's about, that extra level. I think now it's just the experience. It's building up on my experience, sparring, building up my experience with the fights, and it's just, from there, the world is my oyster.
Kind of just pushing onwards and upwards from there.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I'm supposed to go to the UK in December. What are some things that somebody who's never gone to the UK should go see? Just look at the London Eye, Big Ben, look at the tours. Definitely go to one of the boxing shows out there because it's a bit different. Yeah.
The matching shows or the front roaring shows, it'll be a very good experience with it.
Okay, I'm gonna do that for sure. As far as boxing here, are there any fights you're excited for coming up?
You know what? I've been out of the mix a bit. I've just been focusing on me, man.
Yo, sometimes that's the best way to be. That's the best way to be. You gotta be zoning in and do what you gotta do.
I've literally been off social media, everything, just training.
Yeah, because I follow you on Instagram. I don't remember seeing anything from you recently.
I know. Literally, I've just been training, and just keeping my head down for a bit. And then when I come back to London, there's a press conference for my fight, and I fly out.
Okay.
So that's what I've just been keeping my head down, keeping out of the public eye.
Okay. Ain't nothing wrong with that, man. Well, any message to the boxing world, your fans out there that you want to get out there?
Just thank you for supporting me, man. Just thank you for supporting me, and some exciting fights are coming very soon.
Okay, Isaac Chamberlain, nice meeting you, man. Thank you for talking to True School Sports. Hey, what's going on? It's your boy BT. We're at the Davy Powell, and you're watching True School Sports.